Welcome to class, and let us look at this interesting equation. And here it reads that a plus b all over a minus b equals log 6 base 2, and the question reads that we should find a all over b. So how do we go about it? This is just very easy. First, let's just recall this, that log, when you have log let's say a of b can be log a, let's say base c, all over log b base c. Now this is a change of base theorem. Okay, so what do we do with this? Now we'll use it to resolve the right hand side of this equation. So here we have that a plus b all over a minus b then equals log 6 all over log 2. Okay, so what do we do next? Let us cross multiply. By cross multiplying, now the whole of this multiplies through a plus b, so that gives us a, then log 2, then plus b log 2, then equals the whole of log 6 multiplies a minus b, so which gives us a log 6, then minus b log 6. Now the next thing we just need to look at here is to collect like terms. Okay, so in terms of a and b, so now we have here a log 2, then we have a here, so this gives us minus a log 6, then equals here we are left with negative b log 6. On the right hand side we have negative b, then log 6, then you take this positive b log 2 over to the right hand side, and that becomes minus, so here minus b, then log 2. Okay, so let us now factor out a from the left hand side, and also factor out negative b from the right hand side. So, and that leaves us to a, then into log 2, then minus log 6, then equals this is negative b, then into log 6, then plus log 2. Okay, all right. Now what the reason why this is plus is actually because we factor out negative b, so this sign here changes to the positive sign. Okay, so and let us also record that according to the law of logarithm, that when you have log a minus log b, now this gives us log a all over b, and when you have log a then plus log b, now this gives us log a times b. And if you take a look at the left hand side of the equation, this is the subtraction, which is this, so we apply that to this. So here we have that this is a, then into log 2 all over 6, which will actually give us b, which will actually give 1 over 3, then equals negative b, then into log 2 times 6, which is actually meant to give us 12. So here you have that a, then log 1 over 3, then equals negative b, then into log 12. Okay, so Now let us just raise this to an exponent, that is 1 over 3. And we know when you have 1 over a variable, in terms of index, this is something as saying a raised to negative 1. So this becomes a log 3 raised to negative 1, then equals negative b, then log 12. Now, and the power log says that when you have log a raised to a number, now this value n becomes a multiplier, that is n, then log a. If you apply this rule to this here, then we'll end up having a then times negative 1, then log 3, then equals negative b log 12. Okay, now recall that we are having what we need to look for a over b. So all we just need to do in this case, take note here, this becomes negative a log 3 equals negative b log 12. So what next do we do? So we just need to do is now, since we are actually looking for a over b, and we have a here already, and we have b here already, all we just need to do is to divide or to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of negative b. Okay, so which implies that we have here 1 all over negative b, and here also times 1 over negative b, where this clears off this negative clears off this negative, so we are left with a over b, then log 3, then equals log 12. So the next thing we just need to do is to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of log 3, and this is to help us clear off log 3 from the left hand side. So here we have 1 all over log 3 times the whole of this, and here we also multiply by 1 all over log 3. So at this point, this clears off this, so we are left with a all over b, which equals to 12 times 1 here gives us, log 12 times 1 will give us log 12, then all over log 3. Okay, so this is also the same thing as saying this is log 12 base 3. So a all over b, according to the question, is now log 12 all over 3, which you can also evaluate. Okay, this is the final answer. Please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.